Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to talk about the 5 best tips to fix subtitles not working in Amazon Prime Video app on iPhone and iPad. With a massive collection of movies and TV shows, Amazon Prime Video is a great destination for watching your favorite flicks and shows. Just like other video streaming apps, the Prime Video app also shows subtitles so that you can comfortably understand foreign accent or, for that matter, get through any slang with ease. But what if subtitles are not working in the Amazon Prime Video app on your iPhone? No worries, I have found out some workable tips to fix the problem. That said, let's get started. First off, I would recommend you to check whether subtitles have been enabled for the movie or TV show you are watching on Prime Video. To do so, open the Prime Video app on your iPhone or iPad. Then select a movie or TV show title and start playing it. After that, tap on the subtitle icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then select a subtitle language from the list of options. Now check if the problem is gone. If it has, then you have sorted out the issue. After that, I would suggest you to enable closed captions. If the Prime Video app is not showing subtitles on your iPhone, you need to check whether closed captions have been enabled for your device. Closed captions are also meant for users who are deaf or hard of hearing. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and choose Accessibility. Then scroll down and tap on Subtitles and Captioning. Then tap the toggle next to Closed Captions plus SDH to enable them. Then close the Settings app. After that, restart your iPhone. Once your iPhone has rebooted, open the Prime Video app to check if the problem is gone. Next up, I would recommend you to force quit the Amazon Prime Video app and relaunch it. If the app is faced with any random glitch, the force quit will help you fix it. On your iPhone or iPad, without the home button, swipe up from the home bar to bring up the app switcher. Then swipe up the app card to kill the app. On your iPhone or iPad, with the home button, you have to double press the home button to access the app switcher and then swipe up the app card to kill the app. Now open the Amazon Prime Video app and then start playing any movie or TV show to check if the problem is gone. If it has, then you have sorted out the issue. Next up, it's time to update the Amazon Prime Video app. If it's been a while since you updated the Amazon Prime Video app, there's a good chance that the outdated version of the app could be behind the whole problem. To do so, open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Now tap on your profile located at the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down to find the Amazon Prime Video app and then hit the update button right next to it. And finally, it's time to update the software on your iPhone or iPad. If none of the tips has worked in fixing subtitles not working problem in the Amazon Prime Video app, try updating the software. There might be a software bug behind subtitles not working issue. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now tap on General. Then tap on Software Update and finally download and install the latest iteration of iOS or iPadOS as usual, and you are good to go. That's pretty much it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix subtitles not working in Amazon Prime Video app on iPhone and iPad. Hopefully you have gotten the better of the problem. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.